After spending a couple of days in the heart of Coorg, we decided to explore a waterfall amidst the Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. Away from the commercial hustle of all things touristy, the early morning drive from Coorg to Brahmagiri will bring you closer to nature. The misty greenlands, chirping birds, and the balmy sun playing peekaboo through the trees. As we were looking for a place to have breakfast, we happened to stop by this place, classic restaurant, which serves authentic Keralite cuisine. Delighted, we ordered puttu, appam, and kadla curry for ourselves. If you reach a little late, you will get to enjoy their traditional breakfast items with a variety of fish curries as well.
So for Iruppu Fall, you have to take the right from here. So this is the way for Iruppu Fall over there. There's a ticket counter where we have to pay for the entry fees. This is the parking.
Entry fee is rupees 50 and the parking charge for four-wheeler car is 10 rupees. While we walk towards the Iruppu Fall, let me tell you the history of it. The Lakshmana Tirtha Fall signifies the religious importance of Iruppu Falls. As per legends, Lord Ram and his younger brother Lord Lakshman were crossing Brahmagiri range during their search for Devi Sita. When Lord Ram had asked his brother to fetch some drinking water, to satisfy his elder brother's thirst, Lord Lakshman had shot an arrow at the majestic Brahmagiri hills, which led to the origin of river Lakshmana Tirtha. The waterfall is thus considered too holy and is visited by many devotees, especially during the festival of Shivaratri. It is also believed that the water of this fall has the power to free devotees of their past sins. On the bank of river Lakshmana Tirtha, there is a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, Iruppu Rameshwara Temple. It is believed that the Shivling in this temple was consecrated by Lord Ram. There are also shrines of Lord Ganpati, Bhairava, Gandharava, and goddess Parvati at this temple. Devotees may seek blessings at this temple before proceeding uphill to bathe in the holy waters of Lakshmana Tirtha or otherwise. Iruppu waterfall should undoubtedly be in your itinerary when visiting Coorg. The quiet wilderness of Brahmagiri or the sacred ambience at the temple complex will surely calm your mind.
So guys, that is the first glimpse of Iruppu waterfall. So this part is closed. So we'll go ahead and walk through this part and click some photos over there and show you how it is. Beautiful. That's the view of the Iruppu waterfall. So I just came down from this path. There's still stairs to go up, but look at the view from here. Look at this, guys. Oh, Mother Nature is so beautiful. So we'll go there where Swarnali is standing. There's a small bridge to cross this path, and from there you can see the top view of the Tirupu Fall. Let's go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Post this, we drove through Nagarhole National Park to our new accommodation, the Copper Edge Eco Resort. We had our lunch and then relaxed for rest of the day. I hope you liked this video. If so, then please do consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. Share this video with your friends and families. Until then, stay safe.